Hi there, I'm Johnny here. I'm glad to brought you a military series RC car today. It is JJRC 110 scale Willy Jeeps. Let's open up and see what is inside the box. Just look at it, how cool is that classic Jeep design? I call it Willy Jeeps. The ones that's nose is rugged, go anywhere spirits, and the detail are awesome. From the working spare tire to the shovel detail and the dash. It is really awesome. It comes with the 2.4 GHz fully proportional controllers. You can control the lights as well. And also it comes with the cover. And if you're buying the high spec ones, so it comes with the winch as well. In order for you to install the winch, so you need to loosen 4 screws at the front bumper and take out the front bumper so that you can slot in the winch. Yeah, of course you have to tighten it back after you slot it in back. It looks great. So now on the next step, we have to connect the cable. Follow the original cable and connect it into the board circuits. So we have to open up the circuit board cover first. After it's cover open, so we have to slot the cable into this hole itself, so that it allows the controller to control whether it's retract or release. After connect it, so you test first whether it's working fine or not. Lastly, we put on the top cover, then we're ready to go and hit the roads. Hope you guys enjoy checking out the JJRC Willy Jeep with me. I have a blast testing on it, and honestly for the price and the skills, it is a very fun rig to play around. Don't forget to hit the like buttons and subscribe if you haven't do so, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next video, and having our blessing. God bless you.